is a Mark IV Chinook. It comes from the fleet of 60 aircraft based at RAF Odium in Hampshire. The Mark IV, with its glass cockpit upgrade, is one of two Chinook variants being offered in the Air Force today. Luke will now head in for another nose over. On the aircraft today are 3 crew, and joining Luke is Flight Lieutenant Chris Dodd. Chris joined the Air Force in 2006 and arrived on the Chinook Force in 2010. He's completed 5 operatic tours in Afghanistan, as well as attending many exercises all over the world. Luke will now perform a low-level orbit showing the underside of the aircraft. Keep your eyes peeled for the hooks the Chinook uses to carry underslung loads up to 12 tons, one of the core roles for any helicopter, but the one where the Chinook leaves others behind. It may be big and heavy, but Luke will show now just how quickly the aircraft can be stopped using a nose-down quick stop. Like many of the movers you see today, this one has been developed as a way of operating the aircraft as safely as possible in a high-threat environment. It's now time to say hello to the 3rd crew member today, which is Sergeant Chris Pratt. Chris joined the Air Force in 2008 as a weapons systems operator and joined 27 Squadron. During his time on 27 Squadron, Chris has completed 5 tours in Afghanistan as well as multiple exercises. You can see him now on the ramp with his big orange hand. Wave back, ladies and gents. We normally have 2 crewmen down the back of the aircraft, and their job is to run everything in the cabin and underneath it. Inside the aircraft we can carry 40 fully armed troops, and underneath we carry supplies, vehicles, boats or guns. The crewmen also defend the aircraft with the 2 M134 miniguns or the M60 on the ramp. Listen now as the gearboxes whine as Luke pulls to full power to complete the Gorney. The Gorney was coined in Bosnia, where Chinooks operated during Operation Grapple. Topping out at 800 feet, the collector is now lowered and spiral descent down to 100 feet. It's manoeuvres like this that have been used in combat zones over the past 35 years, and the Chinook Force continues to carry out UK defence missions and tasks every day of the year all over the world. RAF Odium is home to number 7, 18 and 27 Squadron, all operating the Chinook. Supporting these squadrons we have a huge number of personnel, from engineers to chefs, logisticians and RAF regiment troops, working to ensure that the complex and capable Chinooks and their crews can keep operating wherever they are tasked all over the world. On the left now you will see carrying out a flat 270-degree turn to to attack Kraut's centre. The turn will finish with a nose down quick stop. This will give the crew chance to give a final wave goodbye. Give Chris a big wave on the ramps, ladies and gents. And if you look onto our right, you'll see Flight Attendant Chris Dodd waving from the co-pilot's window. This brings us to the end of the Royal Air Force Chinook display. It's been a complete privilege to display here the National Armed Forces Day in Cleethorpes. We hope you enjoyed what the Chinook has to offer.
You see it on your own? Hey, it's gone, isn't it? Is it the Battle of Britain next? Yeah, Spitfire.